Hello there, and welcome to today's class, which is a short 5-minute morning stretch. Because today's class is so short, we're just going to jump right on into it. So we'll start out in a child's pose, coming onto your hands and knees. Bring your feet together, knees apart, sit back on your heels, and walk your arms forward. Let your forehead rest on the mat or maybe on a pillow or block. I like to keep a nice bend in my elbows and maybe taking a bit wider stance with the knees for more of a stretch. And then, since this is our first pose of the practice, bringing the focus to the breath, starting to lengthen your inhales and lengthen your exhales. Maybe you exhale out through the mouth. Inhale in. As you exhale, press back up to your tabletop. And then make your way to a seat, and we'll take a seated forward fold. So take your legs out in front of you. Inhale, and then exhale, fold forward over your legs. This is the first stretch of the day. You might feel kind of tight. Feel free to bend your knees here. Let go of your head and your neck. You might also be feeling this in the spine. This is a nice stretch overall for your morning. And inhale in. As you exhale, slowly roll back upright. Find a comfortable seat, and we'll take a side body stretch. Inhale your arms up overhead, and as you exhale, take your right arm to the mat. Stretch over your right side body. And reach up and over to the other side. Nice, gentle side body stretch. And reach back up and over. And reach your arms up overhead. Reach for the ceiling. Exhale, release. We'll take a couple of neck stretches. So start by dipping your chin to your chest. Maybe interlace your fingers. Place them gently on your head. Release your hands. And take gentle half circles with your neck. Take your head over to one side. Slowly moving back and forth. Pause anywhere where you feel tight and would like a little extra stretching today. Gently coming back upright when you're ready. And we'll end today's practice with a nice deep breath in. And exhale out through the mouth. and blink your eyes open. Thank you for joining me today for this short practice. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Take care, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.